Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video you will be learning about the different types of join and what is the difference between join and union, and how to connect different database using Tableau, how to connect multiple sources using Tableau. So in my previous part 1 I could have given about the introduction part of Tableau, how to download and install Tableau, and what is the sample superstore file, whether it is already available or pre-installed in the Tableau software. So all those details I could have given in part 1. Let's get into this video. Tableau can connect to various types of data source. It can connect to text files, Excel files, PDF files, and also it can connect to various database using ODBC connector. What does mean by ODBC connector? So it is nothing but the open database connectivity or open database connector. It is essentially an application programming interface for accessing database system. Next, it also has the capability to connect to different servers and web connectors. So in this video we will be learning about the different connection procedures using Tableau. So this is the screenshot of the home page. In my previous part 1 video I could have given now how to connect to text file in Tableau. So in the home page you can see the connect option there, and below that you can click on the text file. So once you click on the text file, already the sample superstore file will be already pre-installed in the Tableau software. So please select that sample superstore file and click on open option. So once you click on this open, you can see in the left pane you can see the sample superstore.csv file available. Now go back to the connect option, click on Microsoft Excel. Under data tab, select the sample superstore file, click on open option. Once you click on open option, it connects the Excel file into Tableau. So this will be available in the left side of the window. You can see this category and order under this once you connect this Excel file to Tableau. Now how to connect to different database. Now go back to the home page again. Below connect option you can see to a server option. Under to a server option, just click on MySQL. So once you click on MySQL, you can enter the MySQL server name and edit the port if required, and enter the username and password. After entering the username and password, just click on sign in button. So this will connect the different database into Tableau. You can also use join option available to connect multiple tables. Now how to connect to different websites. So go back to the home page again. Under to a server option, you can see more option there. So under that, just click on this web data connector option as it is shown in the image. So once you click on that, it will open the Tableau web data connector window where you need to enter the web connector details. Now how to connect the Tableau desktop to Tableau server. So go back to the home page again. Under to a server option, you can see the Tableau server option available as it is mentioned in the image. Now open the Tableau server, click on the Tableau online as it is shown in the image. So once you click on the Tableau online, you need to enter the registered email ID and password. After entering, just click on sign in button. So this will connect Tableau server into Tableau desktop. Select the data set as shown in the image. I mean the sample superstore which is already available in the Tableau software. This will import the data set into the Tableau. Now what is mean by data relationship and what is mean by join. So data can be connected, or Tableau can connect different tables using join option. It can join up to 32 tables in a data source. While joining, the relationship between two or more tables can also be specified. So there are different types of joins available: inner join, left join, right join, and outer join. So now we are going to learn about what is meant by inner, what is meant by left, and what is meant by right, and what's meant by outer join. An inner join returns data if a given value for the primary key exists in both the tables. Unless you have the query pre-built, Tableau recommends that you use the canvas area on the data source page to create inner joins. So when you see this outer join, when a full outer join is formed between two tables, the resulting table contains all the data values from both the left and right tables. So this in depth we will be learning about joins in the next part 3. So this is a vast concept. You need time to learn about this type of joins. And next, so here in this video I could have shown how to use this join and union option. So once an Excel is connected, so this how to connect Excel file I could have given in slide number 7. So once an Excel file is connected, just drag the required sheet into the data window as shown in this image. Next, Tableau will connect multiple sheets by dragging the sheets into this data window. So the relationship between these two sheets can be given by connecting the data fields. So in this you can see the join option. So under this join option, under order category, you can select anything: inner, left, right, or full outer. You can just select the option and you can check into it. Next, what is meant by union? Union is used to append the data from two or more tables. Suppose you have tables with same headers appending together, you can use the union function here. In this case, joining conditions are not required while you use union to append two or more tables. So same procedure, like drag any of the sheet in the data window as shown in this image. Next, you can see the convert to union option under this order. Just click on that. So once you click on this, you can see the image file like this. Just you click on OK to append or union all the sheets present in the window. Next, this is very simple concept how to sort different data: ascending order, descending order. This I no need to explain. For this you need to go to this sort field option under the data source tab. Under the data source tab you can see this option. If whichever the order you want to select, ascending or descending, as per the table you can select. Next, how to replace the data source. Suppose already I have kept any file, say for example we have seen this sample superstore data file. Suppose if I want to replace that, you can replace that particular file. So how to replace that particular file? Again, select the data source to be replaced, whichever the data source you want to replace. Right click on that particular data source and select replace data source option. Once you select replace data source option, you can see the replacement data source file, image file like this. So after that you just click on OK. After clicking on OK, you can replace the data source file. So that's all about this. So this is a summary of the particular video. You could have learned about how to connect different data sources using Excel database and different websites. Here we have learnt about different types of joins: inner join, right join, left join, and outer join, and how to connect websites by using web connector, and what is meant by data sorting, and how Tableau server can be connected to Tableau desktop. Thank you.